Hello students, today in this class we are going to learn how to pronounce ed. You must have noticed that we use ed at the end of the verb to form its past form in case of regular verbs. So there are three ways by which ed is pronounced. The first one is when ed gives you the sound. Like there are certain verbs which end with voiceless sounds like C, CH, GH, K, P, S, SH or X. So there it is pronounced as the. Like let's see the example. It's danced, t, watched, laughed, walked, stopped, promised, missed, worked. So you must have noticed that where there is voiceless sound at the end means these letters are voiceless. So then it gives you t, brushed, t, watched, t, silent. So the next is d. The sound it produces is d when there are voice sounds like in grabbed, hugged, traveled, discovered, played, studied, rained, enjoyed. So these are a few examples where it produces d sound. Next is when the verbs end with T or D. So the final sound produced are id, like divided, shouted, started, decided, wanted, visited, exploded, ended. So these are a few examples where ed gives you id sound. So I repeat, there are three basic sounds which are being produced by ed, like danced, t, grabbed, d, and divided, id. Thank you students. I hope this is clear to you that how to pronounce ed. Thank you very much. Keep learning.